Clean, free-flowing rivers and streams are essential for the continued survival of this remarkable bird. Initiatives such as monitoring water quality, protecting riparian habitats, and promoting sustainable land use practices can help ensure that American dippers continue to thrive in their natural habitats. In conclusion, the American dipper is a remarkable bird that not only captivates with its unique behaviors and adaptations, but also serves as an important indicator of aquatic ecosystem health. By understanding and appreciating their role in the environment, we can better advocate for the conservation of these vital habitats and ensure the continued survival of this extraordinary species. If you learned something new today, please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.